Alright guys, we back again. You about to see a whole bunch of videos mixed up together. I actually already edited it, and I just wanted to make this intro to explain some things that it's not really a, flowing type of video. It's just a whole bunch of random things just to keep y'all up to date. And I'll show y'all the red E46 at the end of the video. Thank you.
It's your boy, Vid Mac, aka Gap Boy Wonder, aka your auntie's best friend. But progress is always being made, no matter on or off camera.
Yo, Jared, you tripping.
What is wrong with this picture? Bro, this is your first time? What? Guys, it's your boy, Vid Mac, aka Gap Boy Wonder, aka your auntie's best friend. But I don't know when you gonna see this. I know y'all miss me and everything. It's been a long time coming, man. We going through some technical difficulties, but if you do see this, that means I got a new laptop. But I'm buying the car. Alright?
Yo, Jared.
Hold on. Alright, yo, so I said something in the last clip that we're in an automobile, I'll tell you that. And it's not the same automobile we were just in. This shit is cute. Alright guys, I'm driving the red E46 that I don't even know if y'all seen yet home, and it just feels like it's about to blow up. And if it does, like, I'm kind of perfectly fine with that. But at the same time, it is what it is. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Cruising. I'm sorry. I cannot stop now. I cannot. We are too close to home. I cannot stop now. I was not recording, but it died. It literally died at home. Alright? We're at the homestead and it literally died. You're staying here, buddy. You're staying here. Yo, it's your boy, Vid Mac. we putting on some headers, alright? We just trying to slap on some headers down here. And, it's not the easiest thing in the world, but it can and it will get done. The jack right now, I got some condor bushings. They're going to go right here where my face is pretty much at. Then we got the condor trans mount. She gonna be stiff. Nice and stiff. Something went in my mouth, bro. Alright. Well, it is Christmas right now. And the rear end is in the car, but I haven't started it yet. So I think I'm about to start it just to make sure that, hey, like, it starts. Because if it don't, then I gotta, like, take the gas tank out or something. Like, you know what I mean? Something's messed up. So let's see how this goes. Again, there's new headers on. We just took the gas tank out, so see how this goes. Hopefully we can hear the pump. I don't even know if I heard the pump, honestly. But let's see what happens. And new headers. Okay, that's fine, cause you know, just think about it. It's been a while. Okay. I think we're not getting fuel. You know what? Do I even have gas in there? I think we need gas. Let's see. I got the gas, I got the gas, I got the gas. Attempt number, who knows? I put more gas in it. Everything's plugged in fuel pump wise. But it still doesn't say I got gas. I feel like it moved a little bit, but I can't tell. Attempt who knows what. I'm trying to start this thing. Yo! Oh my mama! Oh my mama, nigga! Oh my mama! Oh my mama, nigga! Oh my mama! Boy, that thing started. Alright, we can go home. Bye. Boys, out here grinding. Working as always. We got headers, condor. I think you can see it. Condor. Boom. Go underneath. We got that condor. They got that condor everywhere. Boom. Pop inside. It's a mess right now, but work in progress. Oh, okay, yeah. That's the thing. You see it though. You see it. Hydro. And yeah, we about to just get it cracking. What are we doing, man?
Just making sure I'm putting the thermostat in right.
You don't remember how it came out?
No, I do. I was just making sure.
Or like if it's facing the right way?
Yeah. You got long arms.
Yeah. Switch.
Do you have one already?
Oh. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate that.
2JZ. No shit. Bro's trying to be low over here. No more wheel gap. That's what we shooting for, and then you're gonna clean these Johnnies up, just spray paint them fresh.
Party like a rock. Now we talking. You still literally could go all the way down, but
Yeah. I'm cool with it.
yep. It'll probably settle in. Wait for it to settle in.
I need a car wash so bad.
How we looking, Bricks?
It's looking better. Way better.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh yeah. You gotta have
Freshie. Freshie. What's good, my people? It has been a minute. Technical difficulties, had to buy a new laptop and everything. But I think I'm gonna do like I'm gonna catch her up. Hopefully I just did, but I wanted to show you the new car we got. Wow. Need to pump some air in that tire. But yep, we got a 330. Why do we have a 330? We really don't know that answer yet. But 330 auto, stuck in third. So it was a struggle to get home, as you saw. But this jank do start, I promise you. Look at that. Oh, pressure light on and everything. She loud. But yeah, I just wanted to show that she do run, she do work. Do she drive the best? Not at all. But I'm on the way to work on the black car. More updates coming soon. Thanks for watching as always.